ain't got that much energy today. I'm about to go into work. Whatever, that's not the point. It's too bright. But I have ordered some stuff off of Sephora, and it just came in today. It's nothing fancy because like, I'm not a makeup wearer, so it's not like some foundation and shit. It's just like some stuff that I wanted to try. Well, it was only one thing that I wanted to try, and it was like 2 free samples and something else. So I got to open it. This bitch will open. I broke it. It's a bullshit. Man, that junk hurt. Anywho, this is the inside. With brown paper. My invoice, which is oh wow, it's so small. Okay, the main thing that I wanted to try was this Fenty Beauty by Rihanna Gloss Bomb. And where's the fuck is the color? I don't know, but this is the packaging. I just really want to, oh, here it is. Oh, no, it's not. It just says Fenty. I don't know. Don't ask me. I don't know anything. This is not what I wanted. Whatever. Or was it? I don't know. I forgot when I ordered it, but yeah, I don't even like shit like this. I spent $20 on. Oh, it don't show that color, so okay, that's cool. Okay, it's not bad. It just looks like it's a certain color. Yeah. It's not sticky. It's a good formula. Like, it's real smooth. It don't look like how this color is. So I'm very thankful because I don't like lipsticks or color. I don't on my lips. I don't know, but it's decent. Okay, so ignore my initial reaction because I don't be remembering what the hell I be doing. Okay, the second on the list was this sleeping mask. Where is it? If I can find it. Oh, it's this. This was like $2 on sale. It's a coconut water sleeping mask. You just open up the top and put this on your face or whatever. I don't know. Don't have me to lie to you. I'm gonna do the samples last because they real small. It's cute though. Okay. I found this to be funny. These are butt sheet masks. Like, it comes with 2 sheets. You put them on your butt. This one is, I do not know how to pronounce that word. Something in papaya is for plumping and firming. And this is how it looks. It says to apply to clean skin as shown. Keep on for 10-15 minutes. Peel off. Feel butt beauty. That's weird, but yep. I feel like it was gonna be a funny little thing to do. I don't want that. This was $20. I am all for skincare always. Like, my face been breaking out, but it's going down. But it was this one bump that left a scar, so I'm not happy about that, not at all. But this is the the Sephora kit, the essentials kit. They put the Spanish word first, so I was like, what the heck? But it comes with cleanse and toner for face, eyes, and neck, all day hydration, and a mask, purifying mud mask. I'm gonna open it. Put this in my best friend walking around. So the mud mask is 30 milliliters, 1 fluid ounce. Oh, it's quite heavy. It has this seal, so I'm not about to open it. Too much work. This is the hydration stuff. This is 1.69 millimeters. And this is the cleanser, which is 4.22 fluid ounces. So everything came up to like $49. Shipping was free. What up? Oh, this like $4. The kit was $20. Hello.
Doing a video?
Yes. Hi. You can come in. It's not on you. Who the fuck is Joe Malone? But anyway, this their Nectarine Blossom and Honey Cologne. Oh wow, I didn't even read what it said originally on the damn website. It was free.
About to be a cologne.
I don't know. It don't really smell like nothing. You can smell like a hint of some type of fruit of nectarine, but it's not nothing. Says it's supposed to be shit. I don't know. I ain't reading that. This one is the Ellis Brooklyn West perfume. Go West with Ellis Brooklyn. Shut the fuck up. Oh, see, that one sprayed correctly. Why the fuck they be having old lady scents? What the fuck is this? That's stank. I don't want that shit. I'm disappointed. Yeah, that's the end of this video.